Yo troopers, welcome to the Island Trooper 4x4 garage. Today we're having a bit of a sad day, for it is funeral day, the death of a trooper. That's right, the beast is dead. We have finally done it. I got the beast down to the frame, and we're gonna do a little video today to follow up on the frame inspection video. And we're just going to have a look at a bare frame from a 1989 Trooper 2 Canadian import. But before we do that, I want to show you this video, okay? This video is evidence of why Isuzu was way ahead of their time. They were doing things that were on levels of space age technology efficiency back in the late 80s. Alright, now where did that technology go? It was stuffed. It was stuffed really hard, and we're now seeing some of this technology, 30 years later, it's coming out under the label of blue power. So look up Isuzu diesel, blue power, red power, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, so this video right here is on YouTube. Here's the title: Isuzu 295 brake horsepower turbo 1600cc ceramic engine. No wonder this doesn't come up very often. If they just called it an Isuzu 1.6 liter 295 horsepower engine, it'd probably chop up on the search engine really quick. Anyway, so it's a really grainy video. From what I gather, this is some kind of a trade show. It almost looks like it might be an Isuzu office. This is somewhat of a press release that was done by them, and what you're looking at is an interviewer who is having a look at the engine. He describes it quite well, but there's a few things about the way he describes it that could have been a little bit more from a mechanic standpoint. The incredible thing here is that we are looking at a 1.6 liter V6 that pumps out 295 brake horsepower. Now, because of the materials and the way this engine is designed, it doesn't need a cooling system. Okay, this is like a super low heat internal combustion engine, and I'm fascinated by this technology. Why wouldn't any mechanic be fascinated by this? So I'm going to post these videos, some of my favorite videos. I'm going to post them on my channel. If I get in trouble for reposting something, whatever. I want all these videos in one place together, and so I will be building lists for you. Okay, check this out.
A big example is this new Isuzu engine, and it uses ceramics. That's a product of the space shuttle technology. It's got ceramic walls to the pistons, ceramic piston rings, ceramic valves, and even ceramic cam followers. Now, ceramics are tremendously resistant to heat and wear, and that means although this is an enormously powerful little engine, it's only 1.6 litre, and yet it develops 295 brake horsepower. That's as much as a 5.3 litre Jaguar V12. It doesn't need a cooling system, and all the power generated through the exhaust gas can be utilised to drive, for instance, the electrics. Now, this isn't a far-sighted dream. This is a working engine. It's up and running in Japan at the moment in prototypes, and they say it'll be in production in 2 years' time.
Wow. Alright, so decor as well. Dig info. I would really recommend checking these guys out, okay? They've done a really nice decor video, but we're not going to get into that right now. Actually, let's just call that the repost. I'm going to do a second video for the frame, okay?